Hello, I am Professor Kakade Aryam from Harsu Technical Campus, MBA department. So, subject name is Service Marketing and chapter 2nd, Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Services. So, today I will discuss your point, pricing strategy. Pricing strategy means in this section we describe the approaches to service pricing that are the particular situation to each of the four value of definition. So first one is pricing strategy when the customer means value is low price. What is meant by value is low price? That is when monetary price is the most important determinant of value to a customer. The company focus mainly on the price. Means this focus does not the mean that the quality level and increase attribute were of the relevant. Just that monetary price dominated of the importance to establish a service price in the definition of value. The marketer must understand to what extent customer how is the object price of the service in the category, how they important understood when the service is provided, also known as the relative dollar size of the purchase, the frequency of past price changes and the range of acceptable price in the service. Some of the specific pricing approaches appropriate when the customer define value as low price, including the discount or pricing and penetration pricing. So, including point, first one is the discounting. What is meant by discounting? Service provided offer discount or price cuts to the communicate to the price sensitive buyers that they are revealing value. College are now providing many forms of the discounting to attract student. For example, university allows top student to get a fifth year of undergraduate or graduate education fees and also offers scholarship based on the criteria other than financial need. The business school also cut tuition 22 percentage for this matter program and allows the graduate to take two-thirds of the regular tuition price. Discount price has become a creative art at other educational interaction. Next, odd pricing. What is meant by odd pricing? Odd pricing is the practice of price service just below in the exact amount to make buyers preview that they are getting a lower of price. Dry cleaner charges, for example, dry cleaner charges 2 rupees for shirt rather than 3 rupees. Health club have due price 33 per month rather than 34 and haircuts 9 rupees rather than 10. Odd price suggests discount and bringing and are the capable customer for whom value means low price. That is odd pricing. In the next is penetration price. What is my penetration price? The price charged for the product and service is set low in order to gain market share. Once this achieve the price of increase. Pricing of strategy in when new service are the introduced at low prices to the simulated trial and use. The strategy appropriate when for example, sales value of the service is very sensitive to the price, even the early stages in the introduction. Then it is possible to achieve economics in unit cost by operating a large value. Then a service phase trait of the strong potential competition very soon after introduction and there is no class of buyers willing to pay a higher price to obtain the service. Presentation pricing can lead to problem when companies then select a regular increase price, care must be taken not to which so low price that customer feel the regular price is outside the range of accept price. So next one point, pricing strategy. When the consumer means value is everything I want in a service, means when the customer is concerned principle with the get cost components of the service. Monetary price is not of primary concern. The more described attribute in the given service process, the more highly valued the service is likely to be and the higher the price in the market can set. That is, value is everything I want in a service. Most important price. So next one, prestige pricing. What is the prestige pricing? That is, prestige pricing is a special from the demand-based pricing by service marketer who offer high quality or status service, including for creation, service restaurant, health club, airline and hotels. A higher price in the charge for the luxury and of the business customer of service hotels companies who use the approaches may actually value the high price because in the defend prestige of the quality image. Others prefer purchasing on the high level because are the given preference in sitting of the entitled to other special benefit. In the prestige pricing, demand may actually increase the pricing increase because of the consider service has more value in reflecting quality or prestige. So next one, skimming pricing. What is meant by skimming pricing? That is most important point. Skimming pricing. Skimming a strategy in which new service is introduced at high price with large promotional expenditure is an effective approach when service are major improvements over past service. That is, in this situation, customers are more concerned about the obtained service than about the cost of service. Allow service provided of the scheme, the customer most willing to pay the highest price. That is skimming pricing. So next one, pricing strategy. When the customer means value is the quality I get for the price I pay. Value is the quality I get for the price I pay. Means some customer primarily consider both quality and monetary price. The task of the marketer is to understand what quality means to the customer, means or segmentation customers, and they to match quality level with the price level. Specific strategy are shown in the value pricing. So first one, value pricing. What is meant by value pricing? The widely used term value pricing has come to mean going more for less. I current uses it involve something bundle of the service that are the described to a wide group customer and the pricing them lower than the world cost alone. For example, in the US, Taco Bell value pricing with the 0.59 value meaning. Okay, so after sale in the chain rose 50% in 2 years to 2.4 billion. McDonald's and Burger King adopt of the value pricing practice. So next one, market segmentation pricing. What is meant by market segmentation pricing? The market segmentation pricing is a service marketer charges different price to the group of customer for what are the previous to the different quality level of service. Even though there may not be difference in the cost, providing the service to each this group. This from the pricing of the based on the premise that the segment show different price established of the demand and the desired different quality level. That is, value is the quality I get for the price I pay, including value pricing and market segmentation. So next point, pricing strategy when the customer mean value is all that I get for all that I give, means some customer define value is including not just the benefit they receive but also time, money and effort they put into a service. So including point is first one, price framing. What is my price framing? Because many customer do not process, that is, because many customers do not possess accurate reference price for service. Service marketers are more likely than product marketer to organize the price information for customers. So they know how to view it customer. Naturally look for the price as well as familiar service against which do the judge local services. If they accept the anchors they view of the price and service package if the favorable, that is price framing. Then price bundling. What is the price bundling? Some service are the consume more effectively in including with the other services accompany the product they support, such as the extended service warranties, training, and expected delivery. When customer find value in a package of service that are the interacted price building in a appropriate strategy. Building this means pricing and selling service as a group rather than individual has benefit to both customer and service companies. Customer find the building simplification there are the purchase as payment and the companies find that the appropriate simulated demand for the firm service line thereby achieving cost economic for the operation as who while increasing the contribution bundling also allows the customer to pay less than the purchasing each of the service. So next one, complementary service. What is in by complementary service? Service that are highly can be leveraged by the using complementary pricing. This pricing including three related stages: captive pricing, two part of pricing, and loss leadership. In captive pricing, the firm offers of the best service or product, and when provided the supplier or service needed to the continue using the service. In this situation, the company could offload some part of the price for the basic service to the, for example, cable service often the drop in the price to the very low level. Then competitive by the charging use of the earphones service to the make loss in the revenue. That is complementary pricing. So next one, result based pricing. What is in by result based pricing? That is in service in which the outcome is very important but uncertainty is high, the most of relevant accept of the value is the result of the services. In the personal genre, for example, client value the settlement they review of the conclusion of the service. From tax accountant, client value cost saving. From trade school, student most value getting of a job upon the graduation. In this and other situation An appropriate value based pricing strategy is the price of the best of the result or outcome of the service. So next one, money back guarantee. What is meant by money back guarantee? Occasionally college offer one major promise to get student jobs upon the graduation. Okay, so many school commit the promise often the in the television advertisement that the prospective student have to come district in the promise from the college to give substance to the promise of college of the for profit vocationally college offered the tuition back the guarantee to the any graduate offering the due effort field to obtain the suitable position with 90 days for the program completion. So next one, commission. What is meant by commission? Many service providers including the real estate agent and advertising agencies earn their the fees through commission based on the percentage of the selling price. In this the other industry commission paid by the supplier rather than the buyer. That is commission. The commission approaches to services pricing in the that agent are the comparison most by the find of the highest rather than fares. It will be seen that agent have to motivation to avoid the lowest fares of the rather than the client. That is pricing strategy. Most important process in the company, organization, banking and any other sector depended on the profit margin. So thank you so much.